Congratulations on the purchase of your new Frontier X. Along with the Frontier X, you will find 2 adjustable chest straps, a charging cable, and 2 USB plugs for when you go swimming in the open sea. Frontier X connects to the companion app on your phone and watch. You can also view your data along with ECG on the web app. To start your Frontier X for the first time, press and hold the red button down for 6 seconds before releasing it to see the screen turn on. Ensure your Frontier X's battery is at least 50% full before you proceed with the setup process. Frontier X's display turns off after about 12 to 15 seconds to conserve battery. To turn the screen back on, simply click the red button. Search for Frontier X on your App Store or Play Store and install the app on your phone. Now that you've downloaded the app, the next step is to pair your Frontier X with the companion app. If you face any issues, please contact customer support on our website, fourthfrontier.com.